Okay, so for this problem, I'm going to show you how to solve it using the plug-in zero method. So we have the question, for all x not equal to 3, which of the following is equivalent to the expression? And we have this big algebraic fraction here, 3x squared minus 7x minus 6 divided by x minus 3. Now we have some options here. So the plug-in zero method basically says we can plug in 0 in this expression and plug in 0 into each of the answers and then see which one matches. And if we only find one answer that matches, then that's our correct answer. So let's try this and then I'll explain why this works. So if we plug in 0 for every x, so this part goes to 0, this will go to 0, this will be 0, and we'll be left with negative 6 divided by negative 3, which the negatives cancel and we just get 2. Okay, cool. So now let's try plugging in 0 into each of the answers. If we plug in 0 here, we get 2. Hey, that matches. So this is a potential candidate for the right answer. We plug in 0 here, we get negative 2, 3. Plug in 0 here, this just becomes 3 times 0 plus 2, so 3 times 2, so that's going to be 6. So the only one that matches is A. So we know the correct answer is A. Okay, so why does that work? Well, what is this asking? This is asking which of the following is equivalent to the expression. So we have here the expression 3x squared minus 7x minus 6 all divided by x minus 3. And when it says equivalent, that means as long as x is not equal to 3, this is going to be equal to one of these other options. So for any value of x, this is equivalent to something else if when I plug in something for x in this, I get the same thing as when I plug in x in this equation over here. And so we picked 0 just because it's really easy. It makes lots of things cancel out. And so this is the plug-in 0 method. It's a really handy, quick way of doing a lot of these algebraic problems without even knowing how to factor things and do some of the more complicated things that you may have to do on the ACT.